So it's time now to do a little problem solving thanks to our friends at Stage 8 Locking Fasteners. If you've ever put a set of headers on, you can almost be guaranteed the header bolts will loosen up. And a perfect example was this Jeep. Willie, put on a new set of headers, tighten them down, and next time he drove the vehicle, every single bolt was loose. So we've got a fix for that.
We do. Now, take a look at this. This is really cool. So I'm going to show you how the magic happens, and I'll show you what happens over here. So these are header bolts over here, collector bolts over there. But the concept is you've got this bolt with this groove in it right here. If you've ever used them before, you know what this is all about.
Yeah.
But if you haven't, this is really cool to check out. The idea is, how do you keep it from backing out? How do you keep it from vibrating and coming out? So you've got the grooved bolt, then you've got this retainer, and then this little clip will clip on right there to hold it all together, right? So let's do that over here, though. So let's say, hypothetically, you run this in there and you tighten it, right? You tighten it that way. Well, this way is when it would come loose. So you would put your retainer right there. So now it's not going to back out of there, and then your clip just slides right into the groove, and that baby is not coming out.
Right. They've also got them for locking spindle nuts like you see here, as well as for axle shafts, pretty much for all different applications that are just going to make your life a little bit easier and keep, you a little protected when you're out there. We can have bolts coming out, especially the way Willie drives.
I'm kind of concerned about that because he does operate with a certain level of intensity.
You know what? It's
this
funny.
Willie?
I was thinking ahead, and I got a little gift. Because you're truly a one of a kind. I got you a little unicorn helmet. Wait, no, try it on. See how it fits.
No, dude, it's not the hair.
Really?
Come on.
Really?
No, look at it. Where's this been? Outside?
It's perfect
Dude,
for your
clean
head.
it. No, I
For
like
your
a gift,
giant
but
melon, it's going to be perfect.
clean it first.
He's going to stand out in the crowd.
I don't want to sound unappreciative.
But he is.